Silda Hikmaya. Next is Fitri Mayasari and Jabal Katolik. Okay, I will introduce why the reason we choose this topic. So, kemama fish is a traditional Aceh food made from dried tuna. Historically, it served as a vital food supply during the Dutch colonial war and pilgrimages to Mecca. Kemama fish has several advantages. 1. Long shelf life. It can last months or even years without preservatives. 2. Practical and easy to prepare. 3. Nutrient rich. Is high in protein and omega-3, beneficial for brain and heart health. Production process is 1. Clean the tuna to boil for 2 to 3 hours. 3. Dry the fish. 4. Slice, mix with spice and cook for 60 minutes. Despite its benefit, kemama fish remain underappreciated and its marketability is low. Students can innovate its packaging and expand its market reach to preserve this culinary heritage and boost the local economy. Okay, in our project, we integrate this concept into several subjects. First, in mathematics learning, by linking cylinder volume to packaging design. Next, in science. Science learning related to kemama fish nutrition, about the process of drying kemama fish backside, and finally, the process of preserving kemama fish. Traditional word problem often lack real world relevance, limiting student understanding. Our project is redesigning kemama fish can to preserve Aceh's food and improve the community economy through STEM learning. Using problem-based learning and realistic mathematics education, students engage in 4 thinking stage. 1 is situation. Situation is analyzing packaging cost using a brochure with material detail. 2. Model of. Model of is adjusting cylinder dimension in GeoGebra to maintain volume. 3. Model form is comparing to can design and determining height adjustment. 4. Formal knowledge, concluding whether different dimensions can produce the same volume and surface area. We use a learning platform like GeoGebra and WordWall with discussion and exercise to enhance learning. Students connect mathematics with real-life application through this project, fostering creativity and problem-solving skill. Okay, I think this is the reason why we chose this topic. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Silakan dilanjutkan ya, Pak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, Miss.
Are you ready to learn today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, before we start our learning activity, we should pray first. Okay, Jabal, please lead the prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amin.
Thank you, Jabal. How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, I will check your attendance first. Silda Hikmaya,
Present, Miss.
Nanda Fadia,
I'm here, Miss.
and Jabal Atori.
Present, Miss.
Fitri Mayasari.
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, very good. As everyone is present today. So, today we will learn about redesigning kemama fish can to preserve Aceh's food and improve the community economy through STEM learning. Okay. Please look at this. What I'm crying right now?
Kemama fish, Miss.
I don't know, Miss.
You don't know what is this?
I don't
What
know.
is this?
Kemama fish is Aceh's food, made from bread tuna.
Tuna. Okay, kemama fish Territory is served and food supply during the Dutch colonial war. Several advantage. One is that it can last month of birth. Productivity. 3. Nutrient rich. High in and omega-3, beneficial for brain and heart health. Next is production process for clean the tuna. 2. Boil for 2 to 3 hours. 3. Sun-dry the fish. 4. Slice and cook for minutes. Okay, you must finish the video. I have provided a learning teaching material related to Kemama Fish, so you can access in your Google Classroom. Open your Google Classroom, please.
Yes.
Okay, in this teaching material, you can watching about process the Kemama fish, what is science in Kemama fish, and what is Kemama fish tank. Okay, please watching in 10 minutes. After that, I will hold a quiz related to that teaching material. Okay, start to learning. Are you finished?
Yes, I am finished, Miss.
Okay, we will. Are you ready for the quiz?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Please access the link quiz in your Google Classroom. Please do it independently and don't cheat. Okay? Do it in 5 minutes. Are you ready to the quiz?
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Start. Okay, the time is up. Please submit your result. Don't forget to click the button. Click submit button. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Done?
Done.
Okay, good. If we talk about Kemama fish then, what do you think about? Like this?
The shape is like
Cylinder?
cylinder.
Cylinder. Yes. What is cylinder?
One of three-dimensional shape, Miss.
One of three-dimensional shape. Okay. Before we get into the lesson material, we will remember again about what is three-dimensional shape. Okay. I have a concept map about three-dimensional shape, so you must complete it. To complete it, you must remember about characteristic three-dimensional shape. Okay, please take a look at this concept map. Who can complete the empty part? Okay, Silda, please.
Triangular pyramid and square triangle.
What?
Triangular pyramid
Triangular pyramid
and square pyramid.
and square pyramid. Next. Okay, finish. Okay, next one. Who can?
I miss.
Okay, Nanda and Maya, please. This is. What is it?
This is rectangular pyramid.
Rectangular pyramid. Okay, this is
Cylinder.
cylinder. This
This is cone.
cone.
Sphere.
Sphere or cone?
Sphere.
Sphere. This is
Cone.
cone. Okay, correct. Please give applause to your friend. Okay, today we will focus talk about a cylinder. Who know the formula of cylinder, volume, and surface area? Jalal, okay, please write the formula in whiteboard.
volume is P time radius square 2 time height.
Okay.
The surface area is 2 times P times radius plus height.
Okay, correct. Give applause to Jabal. Okay, to the next learn, you must remember about this formula. The volume cylinder is P times R squared 2 times height. Surface area is 2 times P times R times R plus height. R, what is that R?
Radius.
R is radius. Okay. So our learning objective today is, after participating learning activity, you can investigate the effect of radius on the height of the cylinder if the volume is equal. 2. Redesigning the Mama Fish Can to preserve Achin's food and improve the community economy through STEM math learning. Okay. Today we will divide it into group, and I will give you your worksheet. After that, you will present by group, and the other group give the opinion. Okay. For the assessment, I will assess your attitude when you work in your group. Okay, and also assess your skill and knowledge when you're solving the worksheet. Okay. Until here, do you understand?
Yes, we understand.
Okay. Okay, Jabal, please take this worksheet and bring it to your friend. Okay, for the first, we will form a group with 2 members. You please choose your own group. Okay, Maya with
I'm with Jabal, Miss.
Jabal. Sila with
Anders.
Okay. Next. Now, look at your worksheet. Please look at the activity 1. Okay. In activity 1, for the first problem, 2 cylinder cans are displayed with 2 different sizes. One is, this is small and tall, and this is the can with wider and shorter. And in the first problem, you have a brochure containing the thin, wide, and price. In the first problem, you must determine cost can 1 small and tall, and next the second one is wide and short. Okay, with the price list that has been provided, you can look at the browser. Until here, do you understand what the problem was? Okay, now take a look at this video. This is a cylinder, small and tall, and input in the box with the next cylinder is wide and shorter. Okay, please watch it carefully.
Jaringannya.
Oke, kita anggap selesai lewat aja.
Ya,
Ini
ini
apa?
saja.
Nah, di-
Okay. Okay, good. So, in the first problem, you must determine the cost by can 1 and can 2, and you must give a recommendation to company PL You have to investigate the height and the radius of cylinder that make the same volume. You can use GeoGebra for medium to learn. Okay. Take a look at this GeoGebra. You only input the radius or the height, but the volume must be the same. Okay? You understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, I think because our time is limited, we will finish the problem 1 and problem 2. And in the next week we will finish the problem 3 and problem 4. Okay, please group in your group. Okay, group 2, what about you? Are you understand? You have a problem? Okay, great. You have a problem? What about you, group 1?
For the second problem, we try to determine the radius.
The radius needed one is 1 and the height 4, and for the second cylinder the radius is 2 and the height is
The volume?
the volume is 6.
Okay, the volume is same? Okay, good. Are you finished? Yes, miss. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Are you finished your worksheet?
Yes,
Yes,
miss. Yes, miss.
Who want present first? Group 2? Okay, please group 2 present your result. The other group, please look at another group and give your opinion, okay?
Okay, miss.
Hello everyone. We are from Group 2. We want to present the result of our observation. For the first problem,
Radius 1 is 1, height 1 is 4, radius 2 is 2, height 2 is 1, surface area 1 is 31.41, surface area 2 is 37.69, and price is 11,000.
next activity. Based on the information we obtained from the internet, the reason we chose aluminium as the material is that despite its low cost, it is corrosion resistant, lightweight, and easy to shape. Additionally, aluminium is easy to resolve and highly efficient to produce.
Okay, good. What about group 1? You same result? You have same
Yes.
result? Okay. Thank you for group 2. Please give applause to group 2. Please sit down, group 2. Thank you, miss. Okay. Okay, great. I think after you work on the worksheet, I think you understand about the problem. So I will give a quiz related to that problem and do it in 5 minutes. Okay? Please access in your Google Classroom. Please do it independently. Are you ready?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, start.
Waktu sudah habis.
Okay, are you finished?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I hope you get a great point. Okay, finally our lesson activity almost complete. Does anyone want to give a conclusion to their lesson? Okay, Nanda, please.
This is has several advantages, namely durable, practical, and compatibility.
Okay, thank you, Nanda. Please give applause to Nanda. So the conclusion on our learning today is Kemama fish is one of the traditional food that we must preserve so that it can benefit many people. So we can create new, more attractive packaging using much concept. Okay, for the next learning, for the next week, we will continue the problem 3 and problem 4. So, before our learning, you must learn at home, okay? Okay, thank you for today. Finally, our learning activity today is done. So, we should pray first. Jabal, please lead the prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, see you next week. Assalamualaikum.